If you are a parent out there with a middle schooler, high schooler, or college student, you want to learn this information. You know, the Dreams organization has so much to offer. And I know for a fact this particular program works amazingly. Dreams have been doing what we have been doing for 20 years now. And so we have really developed and learned what our young people need in our community. All right. So the Dreams Youth Ambassador Program is a leadership program that will enhance your scholars' knowledge on and networking skills so that they can use the skills for community service or internships with our organization. The skills that we will be providing them will change their mindset, give them the power, give them the confidence to go out there and be in this world who they're destined to be. How do you connect with us? All we need you to do is go to our website, fill out an application, and our department will get with you on communicating or setting up an appointment to start training. We love our youth at Dreams Orgs Inc.